Hello guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll be talking about the possible causes of the CL code on your LG dishwasher and how to fix it. But first, what does error code CL mean? The CL error code means that your child lock system has been activated. Therefore, you cannot tamper with the washing cycle in any way, and no button will operate when touched. It's a good safety precaution if you have children around and don't want them to try to open the dishwasher. However, it can be frustrating if you want to turn it off, but don't know how to do it. So, let us look at the possible causes and how to turn it off. The following are some of the causes of the CL code. Self-triggered. Since the CL code is on, it might have been self-triggered once you switched on the machine. Spontaneously turned on. Sometimes when your LG dishwasher is on a washing cycle, the CL code can be spontaneously activated without your knowledge. User activated. You can activate this code by yourself, but you may have challenges deactivating it. So what should you do when you're facing this challenge? What are the best solutions you can apply to fix this error? There are various ways you can fix the error. You could check your LG dishwasher manual. You can check out the LG dishwasher manual to see if the error has been self-triggered or spontaneously turned on. In most manuals, they might recommend you follow either of these procedures. Go to the child lock settings. Then press and hold down the child lock button. You can press and hold the wash and rinse buttons down for about 3 to 4 seconds and then release. It might also be recommended to press and hold the rinse and spray buttons simultaneously for about 3 to 4 seconds until the lock sign disappears. You might also be recommended to simultaneously press and hold the half load and energy saver buttons for about 3 seconds. Last, call a plumber. If the CL error occurs because you activated it, and you try to turn it off by following the procedure in your manual but it does not work, you can opt to call a plumber. Thanks for watching.